What's your name?
My name is Ali.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Where do you live?
I live in Sydney.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do in the morning?
I wash my face and eat breakfast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink tea.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken.
When do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I rest or watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11.
Do you take naps?
Sometimes in the afternoon.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain.
Is it cold in winter?
Yes, very cold.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I do. It's beautiful.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Is your house big or small?
It's small but comfortable.
Do you have your room?
Yes, I do.
Is your kitchen clean?
Yes, always.
Who cleans your house?
My mom and I clean it together.
Do you like spicy food?
A little bit.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite dish?
I love pasta.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to drink?
I like juice and water.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you eat fruits every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, they're healthy.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples and bananas.
What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite color to wear?
I like wearing black.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shoes or sandals?
I like shoes.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My English teacher.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, usually.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
Do you have nice coworkers?
Yes, they are friendly.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you trust your friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, we chat online.
Do you share secrets with friends?
Sometimes.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Are you shy or outgoing?
I'm a little shy.
Do you have online friends?
Yes, a few.
Do you visit your friends often?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you like helping people?
Yes, I do.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you tired?
A little.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy.
Are you sad?
No, not today.
Do you get angry easily?
No, I try to stay calm.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family.
What makes you sad?
When people lie.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, a little bit.
Are you nervous before exam?
Yes, always.
Do you feel lonely sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Have you ever been abroad?
No, not yet.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I do.
Do you travel by car or bus?
Usually by bus.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have a Samsung.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Do you like YouTube?
Yes, I watch it a lot.
Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Frozen.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes in the evening.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, very much.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you exercise?
Yes, every morning.
Do you eat healthy food?
I try to.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.